Let us begin by understanding what the term rural development means. Rural development is the process of increasing the standard of living and economic well-being of people living in rural areas which are relatively isolated and scarcely populated. Rural development is a comprehensive term. It involves improvement of places outside of the mainstream economic system. What kind of rural development is needed is very important because rural development leads to unsustainable urbanization and modernization, which leads to the disappearance of a village life and climate.
Talking about the importance of rural development, the most important impact of rural development is that it increases the quality of life of people living in these rural areas. Also, it makes them economically stable.
It's important not only for the majority of the population residing in rural area, but the growth of the rural activities is necessary to stimulate the overall economic expansion of the nation. Furthermore, the primitive task is to decrease the famine roughly about 70% by providing sufficient and healthy food.
The people in rural areas lack education, which does not allow them to properly use technology in their daily lives. The traditional way of thinking does not stops them to transition into a modern lifestyle. Also, a poor understanding of scientific orientation does not allow them to stay at par with the current society.
The problem that is unique to rural India is that it has a low population concentration, in addition a very low income and spending power. Infrastructure like telecom, power, connectivity are too cost intensive for timely returns. The problem essentially is lower concentration of people and income to be adequate incentive for private players to invest in the developing markets.
See, the most basic problem that the people in the villages face is they don't get the basic amenities. Okay, first thing. The second thing that the basic problem that they face is they don't get access to the contemporary knowledges currently like trending in the market, like what kind of seeds that they should go for, what kind of technologies that they should use. So that there's a issue of knowledge. You see, Kurkure has reached the shops in villages, but public healthcare system and education system have yet not been able to reach the villages. The third thing that I would see that causes the major problem is that the government officials, the bureaucracy that is working right now, it's they don't have that kind of connection with the villages, so they work with the people just for their own benefit.
First of all, if you have the inclination, just you be aware of the fact there's nothing called a chartered path or a structured strategy. You have to be on the lookout for opportunity, and whether it's worth or not, just live in the moment. So if someone comes to you for help, someone said, okay, there is some problem, okay, you step into it. Whether you get out of it later out of disillusionment or out of higher ambitions.
My advice for people or children or whoever wants to get involved in this is, like, you should start at a young age. You can start small things you can share with your friends. This is how you grow and learn how to start with the social work, like sharing your if somebody has not brought the tiffin and all, a child can share the tiffin or some money, and a person should donate blood twice a year. And then when we start earning and all, we can donate part of our income. This is how, or you can join some group.
3 महीना तक सुबह और शाम 400 लोगों का निरंतर लगातार भोजन चलाया गया। इसमें यहाँ के लोगों में जो पहले जैसे लॉकडाउन हुआ उस समय पर यहाँ के लोग काफ़ी निराशा था। यहाँ से कम 1 किलोमीटर 1.5 किलोमीटर लोग पानी लाने के लिए, पेयजल की शुद्ध पानी लाने के लिए लोग जाते थे। ये लोगों में खुशहाली है, अच्छा है, इन सब के साथ रहा।
Rural development encourages education, employment opportunities, infrastructure, and housing and civic amenities. These days, a lot of rural communities are underdeveloped due to poverty, illiteracy, and unemployment. So how do we get involved in rural development? For one, educational institutes can conduct regular surveys for students to go visit the communities and see their style of living and the problems faced. After all, empathy is the first step to getting involved in rural development. Another way is by personally communicating with these rural communities to find out their problems and solve the problems effectively, which in such a way that it can benefit them and at the same time allow others to join in.
India is the country of villages. Since about 700 million people in India live below the poverty line, there are a dire need and urgency to develop, uplift and enable these people to become a dynamic part of India's evolution and growth. Our emphasis in this whole presentation was as to why rural development is so important in India and as to how can an individual get involved and actually do something for the society. If we truly believe in giving each and every citizen a chance to pursue happiness and a chance to pursue their goal, then we must stop marginalizing people among us.